Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add signature into your Gmail account in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to go over into your Gmail. Here is my Gmail, you can see over here. And now if you click on compose, you can see there is no signature here. So how you can add signature into your Gmail? Very simple, you just need to come over into the settings icon over here, click on the settings. And then you will get a quick settings option over here, and then you just need to select see all settings, click on that. And after that, here you just need to come over, scroll down a little bit, and after that you will find the signature option over here. So if you click on create a new, and now you just need to give your signature name. I will give it a test, click create, and then here you just need to give your signature. So if I click on how to channel, and now you just need to come over and add to the signature defaults. So here you just need to select new signature test on reply or forward, click on select these signature items called test. And now if you click on save changes, and now if you click on compose, you can see here is your signature is over here. You can see if you type any of subject or any of email, you will get your signature over here. So this is how you can add your signature in Gmail. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.